folks, let's give a warm Cold Lake welcome to the United States Air Force F-22 Raptor
demonstration. The most
feared
aircraft in the world today, the United States Air Force's F-22 Raptor! Advanced flight controls combined with its powerful engines allow the F-22 to pull more than 9 times the force of gravity. Watch from the right as the Raptor demonstrates its tight turn capability with a minimum radius horizontal turn, and then powers straight up into the vertical. Then watch as Major Gunderson changes his direction with the amazing J-turn reposition.
Don't expect you to understand.
Comes in any combination of 8 missiles and up to 8 satellite-guided bombs. The F-22 is the first supersonic, multi-role, and highly agile stealth fighter in the world with a fully internal combat weapons load. Ready your cameras as the Raptor banks in from the left and cycles its weapons bay doors. Ladies and gentlemen, we would like to dedicate this pass to the men and women of the armed forces and their families who support them. We would also like to remember our wounded warriors and veterans in attendance, and those who have given their lives defending our great nations. This will be your best photo opportunity, so get your cameras ready to capture this salute. Now, from behind and to the right, the F-22 Raptor proudly presents the dedication pass. They were there,
the world
As it executes the power loop, you'll see why the aircraft is unmatched in a vertical fight as it carves through the loop and doubles its altitude at the end. At the top of the loop, you'll see the Raptor rotate around one spot in the sky, utilizing the vectored thrust of the two powerful F-119 engines, which will literally flip the aircraft through the vertical and back to level flight. Following the power loop, you'll see the Raptor perform the loaded roll. Many jets can turn tight, many jets can roll quickly, and many jets can climb fast, but not many can slide. Watch now from behind as the Raptor flies over, pulls straight up into the vertical, and brings his throttles near idle. And then under complete control, the F-22 Raptor will actually slide backwards. The Raptor's slow speed handling characteristics are phenomenal. Watch now as Major Gunderson repositions the aircraft to crowd left, reduces the power, slowing the Raptor down to less than 90 knots, and loads up on a high angle of attack. After the pass, you'll once again feel the raw power of the jet as Major Gunderson lights those afterburners and climbs straight into the vertical. Ladies and gentlemen, from the left, the Raptor's slow speed pass. Afterburners. Accelerating from 90 knots to over 600 knots, Major Gunderson will now roll inverted in preparation for the split S reposition and a high-speed pass, showcasing just a fraction of the aircraft's supercruise and full-speed capability. Ladies and gentlemen, prepare for Freedom's Thunder on the high-speed pass.
Like a bullet shell. like a bullet train.
The F-22 will now set up to perform a Hoover pitch. This maneuver is a double knife edge separated by an inverted tuck, followed by a pitch to line up in preparation for heritage flight. This will be another great opportunity to capture the Raptor on your camera during our demonstration. Ladies and gentlemen, named after the late legendary Bob Hoover, the Raptors, Hoover pitch. This gathering was born the Heritage Flight, a unique visual representation of Air Force history from the days of the Army Air Corps to the present. What started out as a one-time event has grown in popularity and demand, and now Heritage Flights are performed at air shows and special events in the United States and around the world.
Have served their country in the sky on their wings. Be given the honor such a burden brings when we remain so that all who see them will know that their freedom was won by the blood that flowed and
Flying in formation formation today is a World War II era P-51 Mustang Val-Halla, piloted by Greg B.A. Anders. A United States Air Force F-22 Raptor, piloted by Major Joshua Cabo Gunderson. Ladies and gentlemen, the P-51 Mustang. Major Gunderson with the tactical pitch. Demo Team. Once again, on behalf of the United States Air Force, the Commander of Air Combat Command, General Mark Kelly, and all the men and women of Air Combat Command, thank you for your attendance, thank you for your patriotism, and thank you, Cold Lake!
There you go, folks. A huge round of applause for the United States Air Force F-22 Raptor. We We gotta say thank you to them for also selecting Cold Lake as one of only 2 show sites in Canada that they'll be attending this summer. Look forward to working with you guys again in London, Ontario in about a month and a half. Folks, don't go away. We still got lots of air show to come. Your Canadian Forces Snowbirds are next. As our F-22 touches down. From Skagit Regional Airport in Washington State. If you ever get a chance to wander down the west coast of the United States, make sure you put the Skagit Regional Airport and the museum, Heritage Museum of Flight on your radar, and make sure you stop by there. They got a lot of different displays for you to take a look at, including this P-51D Mustang. They've got a Sky Raider. They've got a T-34 Mentor. I think they've even got a Texan, a T-6 Texan. Up here in Canada, we knew it as the Harvard. A centerpiece of that museum is the Apollo 8 incredible mission of Apollo 8. That museum is actually a real family affair. Their dad, Bill, still flies the T-34. Greg and his brother, Alan, fly around doing these heritage flights for the Air Force as well as for the United States Navy legacy flights. And there's a good look at Greg Anders in that beautiful Mustang. He's giving you a wave as he taxis by. No air show is complete really without the sound of that Rolls-Royce Merlin engine. Greg Anders taxis up, and in behind is our F-22. Not often do you get a close-up look at this sophisticated 5th generation aircraft. Give Greg a wave there in the VIP chalet, and now let's give a wave to our F-22 as he just circles around there on the taxiway. Couple of reminders here. If you're on social media, please make sure you share about your adventures here at day number 2 of the Cold Lake Air Show. We'd love to see all your pictures. Take a selfie with those of you who you're with, and make sure you use the hashtag CLAS22 or use the handle at Cold Lake Air Show. This air show is going to be back in 2 years' time to celebrate the 100th anniversary of the Royal Canadian Air Force. And we're really looking forward to a great air show there. This is such a great video and photo shot here of Val-Halla and the F-22 taxiing by.